How to create and print your Cash app. QR code. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create and print your Cash app QR code. First, open or launch the Cash app mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app. Next, tap on the QR code icon, located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a page where you'll see a camera preview. At the top of this page, there are two options, Scan and My Code. Since our goal is to print your Cash app QR code, go ahead and tap on the option labeled My Code. Make sure you are following the tutorial carefully to avoid making any mistakes. Let's proceed. Here is your Cash app QR code, as you can see on the screen. To print your QR code, there are two simple methods you can use. You can take a screenshot of the QR code and save it. You can then print this screenshot using any connected or wireless printer. Alternatively, you can tap on the share icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with sharing options. From this menu, choose to share the QR code with someone or send it to yourself through email or a messaging app. Once you've received the image, open it on your computer or device connected to a printer and proceed to print the QR code. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to generate and print your Cash app QR code. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to create and print your Cash app QR code.